Manish Kumar IAS Deputy Commissioner ka East Jante Hills District haka khatway tere gurumpang araja arfun rio ulak kran sikilat pathai kubor halor ka jingja bathai bom dynamite hakram Dewïong hatangsko kabala lam shaka jingyap jong lifeway ngot kibriu bat kumju halor ki sin jam ki balashem hadin kaniya de kibor pulet bat kibor penyat ketika district Ulaong bahadin kejingyo jingtip hakapor no paisngi jong santri gurumpang araja arfun rio kibor penyat district kila pa ya kekali balam khamat daw additional deputy commissioner pada kejingya tray lang bat kesorkar jela la pa ya kekenhun na ke NDRF SDRF bat SRT bat kejingwat kala sedang nadu ketiga sengi hadu ke janmit jong kendai tri gurumpang araja arfun rio hadin kejingyo say ya kibayap hasan kumju ru ya kibamensau Shu laang bagi bor penyat district kila siu bailot kesan Shillong Mail jong ki prangot ki bayap bat ki dang pej benia ya ki jingdon kam bat ki bank bat na ka benta ki wei pan Nalor kani ki bor penyat district kila penlong ya ki jingkhenra ha ki sngi bala dep ban Kurup yau Dewïong ban khang ya ki kram Dewïong Beaiñ bat kemru ya ki badon kti ha ka kam ti Dewïong Beaiñ Laong bahadu ka spauterik urumpang araja afun riu kila dan hadu lai pusau teli ki FIR ki bala mudoi Pyrshah ya ki badan kti haka kam ti Dewïong bala Kurup ya ki tiar ki bapenan kam haki kram Dewïong bala kershan da ke district task force haka jingwat benia haki kram Dewïong hatangsku lapen tikena ba omdan shu ki basakut bat ki kenhon bawat kila sange no haka khandai trik urumpang araja afun riu Laong bag district task force kala penlong jialang boleh benta daki officer nak district mining office district transport office boroki EDM assistant commissioner superintendent of police bat kiwe ki he pulet panyathir halor ki sin jam ban pen sange yakakam ti Dewïong Beaiñ Shu laang ba an pentray kam daki sin jam ba parking kenthop ya ke jing penon kam daki drone ban pej benia ke jing pen kenria yau Dewïong ba yo Kurup shadipu ban Lilam mardor nalor ke jing pen tikna ba anam dan jing ti Dewïong Beaiñ shu hakipor ban one
That incident happened on the morning of 5th and we got this information by afternoon so after then we immediately rushed our team and under our ADC to rush to the area and immediately through the state government coordination we called NDRF, SDRF and SRT and from that day itself we started this rescue operation. So far we continued this rescue and search operation till 9th of the February and so far total death figure in Meghalaya is 28 and from Assam also Silchar we received information 2 person have died so we are also in the process to include their name also. So far there is a total death of 30 and we are also processing this part of relief compensation to the next to the kin of victim and we have processed for 8 victims so far and next we and beyond the, and after that we are trying to establish the contact with their relatives and to get their account number to proceed on an immediate basis. So regarding this incident now we have taken a very strict measure and since past 4 days we are deploying our 5 teams to run this enforcement drive and siege all the coals and seal all the mines and make further arrest into that and we have success on into this also. We so far till yesterday we have filed 34 FIRs. We have seized the gelatin that was used for this illegal mining activity and enforcement drive is still going on for today also and it will carry on further and we have set up this district task force to continue this drive and we have taken a very strict measure and instructed all our line departments like district transport office and district mining office to take every possible action to stop this illegal mining activity in the district. No, so far there is no laborers in the Thangsco and we have searched the mines thoroughly and there is no more bodies left and on the basis of confirmation from this NDRF and SDRF and SRT at the site who conducted this search operation for 4 days. Now we have closed the search operation by 5 PM on 9th of February. Yeah, today we had a meeting for this district task force for complete stoppage of this illegal coal mining in the East Jante. In meeting we have officers from district mining office, district transport office, all the ADMs and all the assistant commissioner and superintendent of police and his all the officers from the police department were present in that meeting. So we discussed various measures to be taken in next couple of weeks to completely stop this illegal coal mining in East Jante district. So far, 2 arrests have been made, and the police department is still investigating the matter, and they have further released the names for those who are absconding. So once arrest is made, it will be made public. This time we are taking very strict action. We are taking the help of technology also, like drone, to complete surveillance over the area, and we have already started taking the action to shift the already mined coal to the depot, and we will immediately auction them, and we will ensure that no illegal coal mining things will happen in the district further.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.